On the directive of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, Vice President Kashim Shettima will lead Nigeria's delegation to 18th session of the United Nations General Assembly, taking place in New York, United States of America from Monday, September 22 to Sunday, September 28, 2025. Vice President Shettima is scheduled to join other world leaders at the commemoration of the 80th anniversary of the United Nations, which will hold on Monday, September 22nd. At the UN headquarters in New York, he would also participate in the high-level general debate of the Assembly from Tuesday, September 23rd to Sunday, September 28th. On behalf of the President Tinubu, the Vice President will deliver Nigeria's national statement on Wednesday, 24th, between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. New York time. In addition, Senator Shettima would attend a special climate event for heads of state and convened by the UN Secretary General on Wednesday, September 24th. At the event, Nigeria is expected to announce its new National Determined Contribution NDCs under the Paris Agreement. The Vice President is also billed to participate in the high-level roundtable of the global champions of adequate and affordable housing, to be hosted by the President of Kenya, alongside other bilateral meetings and engagements. Following the conclusion of the NUGA, Vice President Shettima will depart New York to Frankfurt, Grammy, where he is scheduled to meet with officials of Deutsche Bank before returning to Nigeria. Stanley Ocha, Senior Special Assistant to the President of Media and Communications of the Vice President, 20th September 2025.